Yeah, no, so we cleaning it right now. This is purple sea moss. The origin is Jamaica. Just got the pack in. Excuse me. What? Yeah, I just got it in. You know what I'm saying? I got people waiting on me to bust this down. So that's what we doing right now. But if you get in your sea moss, you gotta understand. The person who is preparing your sea moss for you, they should be able to let you know where it comes from. You understand me? If they don't know where it's coming from, you need to find you a different sea moss person. But what is sea moss? Sea moss is a sea. It's actually an algae. It's one of the most nutritious, if not the most nutritious food thing that you could put in your body. In one spoonful, it provides 90% of your daily needed minerals. You understand? So for your body to operate at an optimum capacity. Do you understand me? It also helps with the thyroid gland, with your mood, your attitude, things of that nature. Helps with weight loss through decreasing your appetite. A lot of people, when they eat this, take their sea moss daily, they feel that their appetite, they have less of an appetite, and that's a way that it helps with weight loss or whatever. What else? Help boost the immune system. So definitely during this situation we're dealing with the coronavirus, you want to get you some sea moss. In addition to sea moss, elderberry to strengthen your immune system. But sea moss, man, like it does so much. It has so many minerals. It's highly condensed. The difference between the purple and the gold sea moss is the purple is a little more concentrated. It's just a little more potent and has more iron. You know what I'm saying? So like when you see purple plants, purple is an indication that plant is high in iron or iron fluorine. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah, elderberry is an herb, but currently I'm not selling the herb. I'm selling the syrup. So elderberry, excuse me, elderberry is one of those must-haves, just like sea moss is. Elderberry is a super immune system booster. Has tons of vitamin C. It also is great for the cold virus, flu virus. Even people take it during the H1N1 because it helps with swine flu as well. That's why a lot of people are getting their purchasing the elderberry during these times to protect them, because they know that it's very antiviral and has anti-flu capabilities.
Can you tell me what is the connection? So I've heard it. I've listened to several Dr. Sebi videos and things of that sort. What is the connection with the mucus and the food and the sea moss? Like, how do they? What's the connection? Can you like dumb that down for me?
So that's a great question. The sea moss, well, mucus. What a lot of Dr. Sebi preaches is that mucus is the cause of many ailments, like especially ailments that end with itis. That's showing that you got inflammation in mucus, and then even phlegm. Phlegm has a lot of has a lot in it that keeps us sick. So when we're able to dispel that mucus from our body, it creates an environment where our bodies are less prone to those illnesses. You know what I'm saying? So sea moss, where it comes in, is sea moss actually gets mucus out of you. So a lot of people, they call me, they're like, man, I'm coughing up mucus. Am I supposed to do that? Like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? The mucus, is red by sea moss. And also like the herb mullein. We also have mullein. It's great for the respiratory system. So that's the connection. They say Dr. Sebi, one thing he preaches is that the mucous membrane is compromised. A lot of mucus, he even states that mucus is the cause of, most diseases or most illnesses that we face. And the connection with the sea moss is like napalm or like a bomb when it comes to mucus in your body. It's just gonna blow it up. It's just gonna you're gonna have mucus everywhere when you take your sea moss every day. You know what I'm saying?
That's scary. You gave me a scary. but real talk though. Okay. And I see more and more people are coming to you on your page to buy it.